Yeah, look great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look good? Okay, here goes. Hey guys, I'm Conrad Bitangcol with the RE/MAX Professionals, and this is another episode of the Real Estate Experience. We're in the city of St. Albert, the city that I grew up in, and we're in the community of Grandin, which is known for beautiful, mature trees. This home is going to be perfect for a first-time home buyer looking to find a single-family home in St. Albert, or an empty nester looking to downsize. It's going to be priced to sell. This home has a decent private yard, and there's also a 25 by 25 foot oversized garage for those guys that like to tinker. And Grandin is located centrally in St. Albert. We're close to the City Hall, which in the summer months you'll be able to enjoy the St. Albert Farmers Market. There's also close access to public transportation, and if you like to enjoy the outdoors, there's lots of trails, fields, and also lots of access to a lot of great schools and amenities from right here. Okay, now it's time to go inside and let me take you around. So what you're going to find is a open main floor plan. This home has a Heatilator fireplace, which is going to be perfect for those cold nights. There's also an updated kitchen and a pretty spectacular renovated 5-piece bathroom. And downstairs is fully finished, and you'll find a bedroom and a 3-piece bathroom and a living room down there. Also, a few things to note about this property. The roof was replaced last year, and the furnace is 8 years old, and the hot water tank is 7 years old.
So I think the house is priced great for St. Albert. It's in Grandin, a mature neighborhood, and it has lots of older trees with easy access to the Henday and to all of St. Albert. So it makes it, that great in-between point. So what really stands out to me in this home is the 5-piece bathroom. It has a beautiful walk-in shower and a standalone soaker tub, and I think you guys will really like it.
So that wraps up today's video tour. If you'd like more information on this home, I will leave a link in the description. And as well, if you've been watching this on Facebook or YouTube, please feel free to leave your comment. Let me know what you thought about this home. Again, my name is Conrad Bitangcol. I'm with the RE/MAX Professionals. Conrad out. Peace.